At this moment, ladies and gentlemen, let me first thank everyone po, kayo pong lahat, for giving me the opportunity to speak in front of you right now. But a little introduction about me. My name is Isidro Coloma po. I am actually from Abra. This very moment na nandito tayo right now reinforces the idea that we made, and I personally made, the best decision in my life being with N-World right now. One thing that I am putting so much emphasis and so much importance right now in my life is my health. No matter how motivated you are, no matter how intelligent you are, kahit gaano ka kasipag, if you do not have good health, you could barely do the things na kailangan mong gawin for yourself and your network. Number one po. Number two, I always try to start doing something until I arrive at the right feeling. Instead of looking for the right feeling bago ako mag-start gumalaw. I think that's the challenge with a lot of the distributors and entrepreneurs that we have. At the point na hindi mo pa mahanap yung motivation mo, just start doing something. At that point, dun ka makapagtuloy-tuloy sa ginagawa mo. I just started doing what I had to do. Mag-network, mag-train ng members, magpalaki ng organization, and I am here right now. And good news, the feeling that I'm feeling right now makes me want to be here again in the next few months. I always believe that at the end of the day, it is tamang buto and tamang lupa. If you are the tamang buto and natanim ka sa tamang lupa, trust me, you would grow and achieve the full potential that you would have in life. N-World is the tamang lupa para sa ating lahat. It is a really great opportunity for every one of us. But one thing is for sure, isa po ako sa mga tamang buto because my name is Sid and I'll always be part of N-World. Salamat po.